In this video, you are going to see how to insert the email icon in Microsoft Word documents. As you can see here, we are going to apply two methods. Let's get started. Go to Insert, go to Icons, and you can write here email and search here. Now select these two, click on Insert, and here I have inserted the email icon. Select it. Go to graphics field. I can change the field color very easily. Go to graphics format, wrap text, click on in front of text, and I can move it anywhere in my Word document. I can apply another method. Click on over here. Let us increase the font size. Now go to insert, go to symbol, go to more symbol, and from the font choose this one and the subset private USA area, and here you will see the mail symbol, this one or this one. Which one you choose, click on insert, and here you will see I have inserted the mail symbol. Select it, go to home, change the font color to change the color. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.